Has Dr. Epstein, with a very nice result, total of around 2,600 FUE grafts done over 2 days. Patient came to me originally just diffuse thinning. You can see how thin, particularly on that right side, but the left side, a lot of miniaturization, so it was actually a little worse than the photo shows, but you can see how thin he was, and here he is today, very happy. You can see how nicely this density we were able to achieve. I mean, that's really significant improvement. You can see this side, all these grafts growing beautifully. This was all done by FUE, around 2,600 FUE grafts. Still got a little bit of thinness up here, but overall you see the significant improvement. Most of the grafts were put into this area, but we also did some right throughout this mid-scalp crown region, and then this was all done by FUE. He keeps his hair nice and short. No donor site scars. Quite frankly, you can't even tell anything was done as we burst through it. So, as I said, he is a little over a year and a half from this work. He's happy. Thank you for letting me film you. This is Dr. Epstein. Thank you very much.